Good morning, peoples, good morning. Anyway, they're out here. Last night was some heavy wind, so guess what happened? Tree came down, broke part of my fence. Take off a piece of my fence over there, so you see where I going? Yeah. Yeah, man. See there? This tree right here came down. So what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna cut this tree off of the fence. But before I repair the fence, before I repair this section right here, I'm gonna cut this down, take this down. That one, I'm gonna cut it down, and then that dry one, I'm gonna cut it down. And then probably on that side, I'm gonna cut down probably like 2 of those trees. You know what I mean? Lexi. What's up, Lexi? Say hello to YouTube. Anyway, share that. Hey, get away, man. Move away from my porridge. Porridge, that's a tool there, so. Lexi, I look like you want to run in for the thing. But yeah, I have the compressor right there, so. Ready to go in my backyard. About to do some repair to this fence. Yeah. Yesterday, I made it up there, so. Yesterday, I do some cleaning up the lawnmower and stuff, but you know, some reason today, the fence is down, man. Yeah. But hey, 1, 2, 3. Come have everything I need. I'm out here with no fear. Alright. Stick around and see. I'm gonna do this to this fence right there, so. I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna repair this real quick. Cut down some trees. And then I'm gonna show you guys the finishing touch. Alright. Yes. Alright guys, so once again I'm here to repair that piece of fence right there. But yeah, I have my compressor, I have my chainsaw for the tree them. I have my nail gun, framing gun for the nail, alright? So what I'm gonna do, hook this up, cut down 2 trees. Of course, I'm not gonna repair the fence before I cut down the tree then, because next thing you know, I'm repair the fence, cut down 2 trees, then jump on it again. Me not into that. No sir. No way, no eye. So first, I'll cut down the tree them first, and then I'll come back and I'll go repair the fence. Yeah. This one is not too bad, but still, it got to go. So it's gonna be this one. This one right here. Coming down. And then maybe that little baby tree there, so probably take it down. Yeah. That is that. But now I'm gonna hook up the chainsaw. Chop up that tree and drop down. And then go from there. Alright. Alright, let's do this. Watch what I go on, pan what I go on. I'm gonna ramp with this, you know? Yeah, man. Bad like, whoa. Alright, guys, so the tree did the damage is down. Alright, man down. Alright, tree down, so I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna remove this little piece of fence right here. Look at that. And then the rest I can stay this. Yeah, man. I can stay over this. But for now, that's the damage. Yeah. Let me say I see that with that, but I'm light and just weak. Tell you, the things you pay for in this country. You don't come in and can't buy one. They're gonna say it, yeah, man. True. But anyway, that's that. See if I can remove some of them nails out of this. We can straighten up this and I'm gonna splice this splice this and then splice the one up so pulling back the fence and then boom bam. That should be that for that. Alright. Swing forward. Alright people, so I go on there. One tree down and the other one tie up. Ready to start kicking down. But let me tell you the story behind this tree. My God, this tree I come down on the most lick down the whole world. See it there? Stay tuned. Alright folks, and just like that, the fence is repaired. Ready to rock, ready to roll. You know what I mean? Old fence right there. You know what I mean? Yeah. So everything's sorted out now. Tree them down on the ground. Yeah. And everything that's it friends. All my subscribers. That's it. The job is done. The job is done. Now I'm gonna wait for this to cool and turn the color and turn into that color. Then I'm gonna stain it. And everything will look like that side on the stain. Yeah. And that's that. Catch you guys on the next one.